Swing in Seattle special, spins and turns. We took a look at the difference between spins and turns and how we can use those to still keep the same feel within this dance. So maybe we're doing things that looked like this. You could take a triple as you turn to the right, going step, step, triple step. If we kept the rhythm going, starting on the left foot and turning to the left, step, step, triple step. We could also make that into a spin. So we could go step, step, spin, step. That would look like step, step, spin, step. We could also do that going the other direction. Hey, ho, here we go. Step, step, spin, step. We took it with the music then. We mix and match all of these pieces, taking them with triples, taking them with spins, going part way around, all the way around. It might be something like this. We'll just let it fly. Hey, ho, here we go. Oop, eat, shoot. Oop, eat, hey. Oop, heat, shoot, ah. Oop, eat, oop, shoot, ah. Eat, hey, and eat. Swing in Seattle, spins and turns. Thanks for